Hey everybody, Dizzy Crafter here. Well, I have waited, it feels like a lifetime for this one. It isn't, it's been about 2 weeks, but it's pretty slow. But apparently I did ring them up because I was concerned that I hadn't received it. I normally would have received it by now. I rang them up a couple of days ago and they did say there was, because it was moving factories and stuff, everything was delayed and I should have got an email. I'm sure I did and I've not seen it. So here it is. So let's crack it open and see what I got. So we've got a leaflet here saying what's on, and this is the June 2022. And you've got lots of information there about the shows and stuff. It's obviously still celebrating the Jubilee going on there. So that's always cool to read. And then as you can see, it's mainly the Spectrum Noir coloured pencils. This one is the primaries. I've recently got into wanting to colour with pencils, and basically I've just been using the cheap ones and they've been okay, but I really want to learn how to do the blending and stuff like that, and I'm not really getting there with the cheap ones from the range. So they colour nicely, but that's about it. Finally got that off, and this is the colour palette that you get in this particular box. You can see lots of array of colours. So that was the primaries. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to get all this tape off and then come back to you because I've just been in too long. Right, so I've got the tape off them all. So the next one is the naturals, and this is the colour palette from there. So there's lots of greens and browns in there, and you've got a white as well and a grey. So there's definitely lots of colours to going on with there. And then we've got the essentials, which I'm guessing are going to be more like the portrait colours. Now again, you've still got a mix, so I'm guessing like these will be like your portrait colours here. You've got oranges, pinks, purples, greens, blues, more browns and greys down there. So there's definitely a good array of colour there. And then the last tin is shade and tone. So there's lots of greeny blues, purples, browns and greys in there. So, and I have got the other tin, which I shall get you. It didn't come in this haul, I've had it a while now. So the other tin that was missing from this collection, because they actually come as a collection, they should be £25 each. And I actually got all 4 tins for £40. I've had this one quite a while, since last year, and I've not really used it other than to try them to see if I liked how they blended before purchasing the ones I've got. And like this is the colour palette from there, so I just tried a couple of them. As you can see, I've not really used them much because I just tried a couple of the reds, I think, to see how they blended, and I like the feel of them. I'm no expert on pencils or anything like that, but that is basically the whole kit. Actually, I'm lying, there's not, because I think there's 2 sets of 12s that they did have, but they never seem to be online, so I'm guessing they just don't do them anymore. So then the next thing we bought was this came as a kit, and I think this was £20 again, and it's a stamp and die set, and we've got birthday greetings, and you can see we've got the stamps here, and then we've got the dies here. So you can make lots of things. I thought these would be perfect for when I'm doing my mini albums, if I'm honest, not so much the card side of things. And then we've got just to say, and there's lots of thank yous and stars and bookmarks and stuff like that. Not bookmarks, but nameplates and stuff that I would use. So that was that one. And then we've got happy anniversary. So again, lots of numbers, champagne glasses, some nesting dies. We've got lots of stuff going on with them. And then love and marriage. Again, this will come in handy for my wedding. Maybe I'll use these in the invitations or something. I don't know, we'll see. And then we got many congratulations, so again stamp and dies. And then the last one, which is my favourite, is these milestone celebrations. So you got lots of numbers, and the I don't know what they're called when you put in the TH and stuff and the ST and stuff at the end. I know there's a certain word for it, but I can't think of it right now. So yeah, so that's not bad. I'm going to get for the 20. So you got all 6 of those for £20. So I know this is only a little mini haul, guys, but I thought I'd share it with you anyway, and I appreciate you watching, and please stay tuned, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.